Congratulations, you've completed your JanPro New Unit Owner Certification Program. So what do you do next? Well, let's talk about what advice we have for you. So what do you need to know? Let's start with some basics. From an administrative standpoint, you need to set up a business bank account. In an email that went to you, there will be a linked form to set up your what we call direct deposit. You'll go to a bank. You'll provide them with your certificate of formation for your LLC, also with your federal ID number, and you'll put some money in and you'll set up a bank account, provide us with that information so when we pay you, we can make a direct deposit to you. How do you invoice us? You've watched the video on setting up in JanHub, so go to janhub.com and go ahead and register on there, get set up in that, so when you're offered a customer and you invoice us, you can know how to do that and not miss a beat. How long does JanPro have to offer you business? Depending on the franchise plan you invested in, most are 120 business days from today. So we have to offer you that amount of business. Remember, as you went through the modules, you don't have to accept what we offer you, but we have to do it within a certain period of time. Whatever you accept, if it has not reached the amount of the plan, we still owe you that business, but we have a certain number of business days to offer it to you, and even if you don't accept it, we still owe it to you. When you do get a customer, your starter kit, if you prepaid the full investment for the franchise plan, then that is included. And so what you'll do is you'll set up, once we offer you a customer, you accept it, you'll set up with the field service rep to make an appointment to go to our office and pick up the starter kit. If you financed your franchise investment, then you'll need to purchase the starter kit. So if you recall, that's probably going to be somewhere between $800 and $900. We could finance it if you needed to for a month or two, but you'll need to be prepared to pay for that when you pick it up. Finally, on the administrative side, will you need employees? How will you train them and onboard them? So if you are in the process of hiring employees, or as you grow, you'll need employees. Again, interview, make sure you've got all your forms proper, and we will support you in that. So if you need to put them in a hands-on training, or if you want to send them through just to Module 3, which is all the videos on how to clean, we'll support you in doing that as well. Just let me know, and I'll go ahead and get them set up on the site so they can do that as well. So how do you get accounts? A couple of ways. One, each week we meet with our field service team and we review all of the new customers that are asking us to start cleaning their facilities. We also review all of the existing customers that are either asking for a transfer from a business owner or the business owner for whatever reason needs to be transferred. Denise, Sandy, and Max will then look at those opportunities. They will match them up first with the business owners that we owe business to per their investment in their franchise, and then the business owners that are asking for upgrades beyond their initial plan. If they offer it to you and you accept it, they will be there at the walkthrough with you as you get familiar with the scope of work, meet the customer. They'll also be there that first day or night with you to help make sure that everything goes well, that facilitate any questions that you may have. Denise, Sandy, and Max also will perform audits at different periods to assure both you and the customer that we're providing the highest quality service that they would expect. So what can make you a successful business owner in the JanPro franchise system? Over our multiple years, 25 years in business, we have seen successful franchise owners and also franchise owners that have failed. So how can you be successful? Well, I went back to our field service team and asked them, and ironically, independently asking them the questions, give me 3 top things a certified business owner could do to make them successful. As you can see, it's pretty similar. Everyone, the very first thing was communicate with your customer and build a relationship. Build a relationship. If the customer likes you, like you learned in Module 1, they're less likely to make a change if there's a problem that arises. So build the relationship. Second thing they all also said is inspect, check your work. Make sure that after you've cleaned, you do a what's wrong with this picture. You take a quick look around before you secure the location. And if you have employees doing work for you, you check their work to make sure that that quality is representing your business and JanPro to the top of their abilities. And the third thing, ironically, again, all three of them were the top three things, is if you do have employees, train them. Make sure that they know what they're doing. Make sure they know your expectations. We do have, as you well know, this online program, and Module 3 is all about cleaning videos and how to clean, conference room, offices, hallways, etc. We can make that available to them whenever we do a hands-on training in one of our offices in Delaware or New Jersey. They're more than welcome to attend that as well. The goal at the end of the day is provide the best service out there and represent your business and JanPro. And if you do all these things, you build a relationship, you inspect your work, and you train your staff, you're going to have a great, long, successful business. So finally, your business is up and running, you've got your starter kit, and you need to start replenishing your supplies. So where do you buy them? You can buy them anywhere. We have set up some national pricing and regional pricing at a couple of options. So Action Unlimited is located in Delaware. With Action, you can walk in and purchase them under the JanPro brand. You just have to fill out an application, which we've got documents linked here, or else you can put into your browser the website link that is here on the presentation. Once you get that, you'll get a credit card on file, and then you'll get the JanPro discount. They deliver in Jersey as well as Delaware. You can also utilize national purchasing through Staples. Again, download the document here, click on the link, or you can go to the website identified there, register. There's a JanPro login number to put in there, and you'll get advantage of that, and they can deliver anywhere as well. Or you can call our office. We use a couple of other suppliers. That is, you'll have to come to the office to pick it up, and you can do that as well. So you can self-help and use that for any supplies that you need, quite honestly, under the JanPro brand, whether you're servicing our accounts or your own accounts outside of the JanPro brand. You can use Action or Staples.